Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can fix if USB is not working in your Windows laptop. So first method you can try, here you can type device manager. Then click on control panel, scroll down. Here you can find out this one, universal series serial bus controllers. You can go here and expand it and right click and then click on properties. Then power management and then allow computer to turn off this device to save the power. You can disable this one. So this is the first method, and the second method you can use this one. You can uninstall this driver. The third method you can use this one. If you are connected your laptop with the charger, then you can disconnect and restart your laptop. Then again connect USB with your laptop. Then connect charger. So these are the three different methods that you can try to fix USB not working.